Do you guys like watching motovloggers or YouTube celebrities that show their face more than the ones that do not? Good dog, everyone. It's your boy Bly here with IronCross Racing. Today's supposed to be 75, and I just couldn't pass up getting out for a nice little short ride. I'm trying a new street today. I've been on this before. I don't think on the bike, not in my car. It's the infamous Cielo Vista. It's a very popular road with local motorcyclists because it's kind of short, it's nearby, and it's very curvy. So there's a lot of slow vehicles on this road. I do my own Bly maneuver, which is just pull off, wait, see if any cars start coming up. Once you start seeing traffic coming up, then you jump out into the lane, and you go at your pace to the next one. Cars on this road will actually drive slower than they should, just to prove a point. I mean, I know that the speed limit on this thing, I believe, is like 30 or 35, but I mean, they'll do all of 30 or 35. No, it's 30. But in true Bly fashion, we'll bend the rules just a little bit. So one thing I wanted to talk to you guys about real quick is something I've been kind of wondering. So I've been checking out my analytics on YouTube.
No, God! No, God, please, no! No! No!
Right now I'm about 172 subscribers, I believe, which I appreciate you all. You know, starting to kind of get curious on why the number difference. So one thing I'm kind of curious about is, do you guys like watching motovloggers or YouTube celebrities that show their face more than the ones that do not? Now, as you guys know, I like to keep my face hidden when I shoot my videos and I'm in the public eye, mostly because of my employment. Very similar to a lot of situations for people who usually don't show their face, like Blockhead. Now Blockhead, you know, he's got over 100,000 subscribers, doing very well in the motovlog community, and I still don't think he's shown his face. But I'm just kind of curious on either my content sucks.
You said it, kid, not me.
Which I don't think that's necessarily the case. Or it seems like people out there like watching people that they can see and can relate to more so than the mysterious folks.
Seeing is believing. Am I right?
So, let me know. Let me know what you guys think about all that. I'm kind of curious on just what your guys' take is. Again, I want to thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, go ahead and press that like button. If you haven't already, go ahead and press that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit the bell notifications as I release a new video at least once a week.
Left me here to weep and mourn.